The National People's Party experienced a significant setback in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections, winning only 4 out of the 25 seats. Despite the unexpected results, the NPP remains a strong force and will assume the opposition role in the KHADC. Spokesperson H.M. Shamplyang emphasized that the party will conduct a thorough evaluation of its performance, focusing on areas that need improvement. NPP is committed to providing a robust opposition to serve the people effectively in the years to come.
Maybe I would not like to say that it is a vote against the government. People maybe they wanted a change in the district council, and yes, we are in the government, the party is in the government under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, and we will continue to serve the people even more better. If there are lapses somewhere or there are drawbacks somewhere, we'll try to find out and try to correct those issues wherever there are, and we would like to serve the people